This is off Shepherd's River Road. It's called Harmon Notch. And we're in a small cottage. And there's usually a view, but it's very, very snowy still. Nice place. Very cozy. Nice wood stove. Good generator. And these beautiful freaking maples. Holy shit. And they're so heavy they're blocking off the stairs right here. And the birds are out. We put out sunflower seeds and the birds have been all over the railing getting the seeds. They're so cute. There's one. They love suet too. Have a good time being snowed in.